I don't think I know a single person that has used technology and has never used Google. Well, now Google is actually willing to pay for the information they gather about you using their app, Google Opinion Rewards, and that's what I'm going to talk about today. I've used Google Opinion Rewards for over a month now, so in this review I'm going to tell you what kind of surveys you could get, how much I earned, and in my honest opinion, if this app is worth it for you. So with all that said, let's jump into the video. The app itself is actually super basic. You honestly don't ever have to even intentionally open the app. Just whenever you get a notification for a survey, you can open the app. This app is available in 26 different countries. I've listed them all in the description. So this is a very global app. So far I've gotten 3 types of surveys with this app. The first one is just random surveys on topics Google is interested in. The second one is surveys based on your search. So for example, one time I searched the difference between a rat and a mouse, and I actually got a Google survey on it. But by far the most common type of survey is the location surveys. So if you do a lot of shopping or traveling, you're gonna get a lot of location surveys and more opportunities to earn with Google Opinion Rewards. The minimum to withdraw with this app is $2, and they actually send an automatic PayPal payment to you once you actually reach that $2, so that's really nice of them. It took me a little less than 1 month to reach that $2 mark. I think you could earn $2 to $4 with this app per month, and it just really depends if you do a lot of shopping or traveling. Something that you should know, these surveys are very simple. They're 3 questions long. They're 3-part surveys with multiple choice questions, and do not lie on these surveys. Don't just rush through them. That would be stupid anyways. They're really easy, but if you do, Google will suspend your account for a month or 2 and you won't be receiving surveys from them. In my opinion, Google Opinion Rewards is a great survey app. Low minimum payout, very easy. You never have to go out of your way to actually use the app, so I do recommend it. So if you found this video helpful, leave a like. If you want to see more money-making methods I use, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and peace.